This conference will now be recorded.
So in today's session, we are going to discuss about the Salesforce CRM and the CRM lifecycle, and what are the various terms and the vocabulary and the process that we used to follow upon managing the sales or service or marketing processes by using Salesforce CRM. Okay, now we'll see. So let me give you the just overview of the Salesforce CRM, and then we'll be digging into the concept here, each and every feature one by one. Okay, now. So that already we know Salesforce.com is an organization which has started in 1990s by a person called as Mark Benioff. Salesforce.com is an organization which has started in 1990s by a person called as Mark Benioff. So he is the CEO of the organization and he is the founder. Still, he will be the CEO for this organization. Now, so now here you can raise a question, sir, when exactly they have started this organization? Basically, Salesforce.com has been started in March 1999. They have started this organization in March 1999, okay, with the 2 employees. While starting this organization in March 1999, they have started this company with the 2 employees. Now, okay, now Salesforce is having 1,50,000 customers. They're having 1,50,000 customers. That means 1,50,000 organizations are using Salesforce services, which includes banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, manufacturing, consulting, online education, media related, e-commerce related, everybody, each and every organization. Each and every organization is using Salesforce services nowadays. Now, so it may be banking organization also, they're using Salesforce services. Financial people are also using Salesforce services. Manufacturing people, consulting people, construction people, everybody, each and every organization is using Salesforce services. So as of now, they have captured almost 1,50,000 customers. So 1,50,000 organizations are using Salesforce services. Now, so in this case here, when coming to the Salesforce, what are the various services offered by Salesforce to their customers on rental basis? Okay, now let's see. Salesforce is purely offering cloud services. From the beginning of this organization, they're purely offering cloud services. You know what exactly cloud service. During our demo sessions, we have discussed about what exactly on-premise, what exactly on-demand or cloud application. So cloud applications in the sense, these are also the applications which doesn't require any installations, directly we can access that application just with the help of 2 features. One is browser, second one internet access, without having any installations. Like for example, if you are using operating system, it requires installation first. If you are using MS Office, we have to install that first. If you are using any other applications, like as other programming languages, like as C programming language, C++ programming, Java programming, .NET programming, Oracle database, or SQL Server database, or anything, any other softwares, these requires installations. So the applications which requires installation, those are called as on-premise applications. Okay, on-premise. Those are called as on-premise applications. But when coming to the cloud applications doesn't require any installations. Directly we can access them with the help of browser and the internet access. These are the 2 features are required. So these are the two features are required in order to access your cloud applications or on-demand applications. Now, so now tell me what kind of devices that we can use to access our cloud applications. In order to access this cloud application, we need browser and internet access. Now tell me, browsers are available in what kind of devices? Every device is having the browser, like laptop also, desktops also, mobiles also, smartphones also, tabs also. All these devices are having the browser inbuilt available. Next, second one, we need internet access. So internet access capability will be available for every mobile device, smartphone, tab device, laptop, desktop. All these devices are having the capability to access the internet by using Wi-Fi connections or by using some LAN connections also. That means wired connections. So in this case, what happened? In order to access this cloud application, we can use any device also. It may be desktop, it may be laptop, it may be mobile, it may be smartphone, it may be tab device, or it may be any other device which may come in the future, which is having browser and internet access capability. Those devices are capable to access your cloud applications. So cloud applications doesn't require a laptop and desktop to access it. You can use any device, whatever we have. We can use your mobiles also to access that cloud application. We can use smartphones also, tabs also, or any other device which may come in the future, like as Google Glass technologies. There also we can access your cloud application. So cloud applications are purely future compatible. These are purely future compatible, so that we are not installing anything in our local system inside your device. We no need to have any prerequisite softwares. We no need to have any prerequisite hardwares like as 4 GB of RAM, 8 GB of RAM, 1 terabyte of memory, nothing. Forget about all these things. Because we are not installing anything in our local device. We are not maintaining any prerequisite softwares, and then we are not saving anything in our local system. Everything will be available inside the internet. So to connect to the internet, we need internet access. To access the internet, we need the browser. That's it. So in order to access your cloud application, just we need these two features, browser and internet access. Now, why? Because Salesforce is purely offering cloud services. From the beginning of this organization, they're purely offering cloud services to the customers, which can be accessible just with the help of browser and the internet access. Okay, now in this case, so now tell me, what are the various classifications of cloud services offered by Salesforce? I think the few people might have attended our demo sessions. So what kind of cloud services offered by Salesforce? Salesforce is offering three classifications of cloud services. Okay, Salesforce offers three classifications of services. First one, SaaS service. Second one, PaaS service. Third one, infrastructure. These are the three classifications of services offered by Salesforce to their customers on rental basis. Now, SaaS stands for what? Software as a service. Software as a service. Now, second one, platform as a service. Right. Third one, infrastructure as a service. Perfect. Now, so these are the three classifications of services offered by Salesforce to their customers on rental basis. That means upon accessing these cloud services from Salesforce, we no need to do the huge investment. We no need to buy the complete software license by investing the huge amount. Just we can take them on rental basis. That rental facility is available from Salesforce. Each and every cloud service which you want, it may be a ready-made software, it may be a platform, it may be infrastructure. Each and every cloud service, we can take it on rental basis from Salesforce. So rental amount will be very, very small, so that each and every organization, it may be a startup organization, it may be mid-sized organization, it may be a small organization, it may be big organization also. Everybody can use our rental facility services from Salesforce, so that Salesforce is going to be keep on capturing some more customers. Okay, that's what here within 20 years of span of time, they have captured almost 1,50,000 customers. Capturing 1,50,000 customers in 20 years of time, 20 years of span of time is a very big deal. Okay, capturing these many number of customers within 20 years is a very big deal. Okay, now, so in this case, when coming to the Salesforce people, from the beginning of this organization, they're purely offering cloud services so that so many clients have showed interest to utilize Salesforce services because it doesn't require any physical hardware. It doesn't require any huge investment. So directly we can access them by paying some rental amount to Salesforce. Okay, now, so now Salesforce is purely offering these cloud services to their customers on rental basis. Now, let's see each and every feature. So they're offering three classifications of services. The first one, software as a service. Now, what do you mean by this software as a service? Software in the sense, software means what? MS Office is one software. C programming, one software. Media players, one software. SAP, a software. Oracle, one separate software. Then what do you mean by a software? Basically, software is nothing but a ready-made application. Software is nothing but a ready-made application which contains a group of features which we can use to automate our business processes. Software is nothing but a ready-made application or a pre-built application which contains some set of features which we can use to automate our business processes. Like, for example, assume that we have Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a ready-made software which contains so many features inside it which we can use to prepare our own documentations. We can prepare our own effective documentations. It may be business proposals, it may be quotations, it may be orders, it may be contracts, it may be invoices, anything we can prepare by using this Microsoft Word, which is having inbuilt features are available. We no need to build anything manually by our own. We no need to write any code. We no need to use any programming languages. Just by using some mouse clicks, we can able to use all the features which we can use to automate our documentations. So to prepare your own documentations, whatever the features are required, all are available inbuilt inside your Microsoft Word. Like the similar way. So now sometimes I would like to design something, with an attractive look and feel. So at that time, we are using the help of Microsoft Paint. Microsoft Paint is a ready-made software which contains some set of features which is used to design something, which is used to draw something, which is used to represent something. So these are having some ready-made features. Like the similar way, when coming to the software, software is nothing but a ready-made application which contains some set of features which we can use to automate our business processes. Now, that software may be having some features to automate your banking process. That software may be having the features to automate your financial process. That software may be having the features to automate your supermarket process, or that software may be having the features to automate our restaurant process also, whatever, anything. If that ready-made software is exactly suits to your business, then we can take them on rental basis. We can take them on rental basis. No need to buy that software by investing the huge amount. Just we can take them on rental basis. So whenever if you are utilizing some ready-made softwares on rental basis, then it is called as software as a service. Whenever if you are using some ready-made softwares on rental basis, then it is called as software as a service. Now let me give the note point over here. By using SaaS features, we can take the ready-made softwares or applications on rental basis. With the help of this SaaS features, we can take some ready-made applications or ready-made softwares on rental basis. Now tell me in this case, what is that ready-made software offered by Salesforce to their customers on rental basis? What is that? Ready-made software providing by Salesforce to their customers on rental basis. Salesforce is offering a ready-made software called as Salesforce CRM. Salesforce is offering a ready-made application to their customers on rental basis that is called as Salesforce CRM. Okay. Now, so then what exactly the Salesforce CRM? What we can do with the help of Salesforce CRM? What exactly the CRM first? Now let's see. So what do you mean by this CRM? CRM stands
Customer
for Customer Relationship
relationship
Management.
management.
CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Then what do you mean by Customer Relationship Management? What exactly it is?
Maintaining the customer data.
Customer Relationship Management. Simply we can say by using this CRM, we can manage our customers' information. We can manage our customers' information. Like for example, assume that we are running a business. It may be supermarket, it may be a hotel, it may be like as a banking organization, finance organization, manufacturing organization, anything, whatever it might be. So we have an organization. Each and every organization is offering either some set of products or they're offering some set of services. Now, so now whenever we are selling out our products or services, so many people will show interest. They will come to our organization. They will buy our products or services. Now, so now in this case, whenever if anybody is purchasing our product or service, then we have to collect those people's information. That means we need to collect those customers' information. We have to store in our local system. Why? Because we can use these details to communicate with the people in future. Okay? In future, we can communicate with the people. Whenever if you're introducing some more new features, whenever if you're introducing some more new products, then we can inform to those people as well. So these are the new products which we are launching into the market. And we are offering some 10% discount for our existing customers. So whenever you are offering any discounts, whenever you are introducing some new features, then we can communicate with the people as well. So whenever we are capturing any customer, we have to collect the customer details. We have to store in our local system. Then where we can store? Where can I store this customer's data? Do I need to use a notepad to store this information? No. Can I use a Microsoft Word document? No. Can I go with Excel sheet? No, I don't want to use that, because whenever if I'm using this kind of file systems won't provide more security for your data. File systems won't provide the permanent storage of your data. Suppose if I'm storing all my customers' data inside a Excel sheet, then I will be placing that Excel sheet on my system's desktop. If any other people are using my system, when they double click on the file will be getting open. The people can see my customers' data. They can modify the records also. They can delete some customers' information also. They can misutilize. Okay, they can misutilize my customers' data as well. And that too, suppose if my system has been attacked with some virus, then I will be formatting my system, then automatically whole data will be lost. The file will be getting deleted, the customer's data will be lost. So in this case, losing the data means what? Losing the customers, losing the business, losing the revenue, losing the profit, losing the credibility also in the market. Because customer is the base for organization. Customer is the god for every organization, because without the customer, we can't run the business. We can't sell out the product. We can't generate the revenue. We can't get the profit. We can't make our business grow. So that customer is the base for each and every organization. Now, in this case, we have to store all those customers' information. We have to store all this customers' information in one place. That is called as, okay, say customer relationship management application. So in order to store all your customers' information, we are using the help of an application called as CRM application. Okay, CRM application. So customer relationship management is nothing but an application. Okay, CRM is nothing but an application which is used to store all our customers' information at one place. He may be my existing customer who is utilizing my product since very long time, or he may be my new customer just now who purchased my products as well. He may be the existing customers or the new customers' information. All the customers' data I would like to store at one place, so that I would like to use an application that is called as CRM. Now, so now customer relationship management is nothing but an application which is used to store all the customers' information at one place. Okay, now let me go to another point here. CRM is an application or software which is used to store all the existing and new customers information at one place. Now, so CRM is a ready-made application or a software which is used to store all your existing customers and the new customers information at one place. Okay, now, so now in this case here, you can raise a question. Sir, what CRM applications are available in our IT industry? We have so many CRM applications are available. Okay, we have so many CRM applications are available. Like, for example, we have Sugar CRM. Sugar CRM is a very older CRM application which is available in IT industry since 30 to 40 years. Since 30 to 40 years, this Sugar CRM is available. And then we have PeopleSoft CRM. We have Siebel CRM. We have Infor CRM. We have Synergy CRM. We have NetSuite CRM. And then we have Adobe CRM. We have SAP CRM. SAP CRM. We have Oracle CRM. We have Microsoft CRM. Like that, we have so many CRM applications are available. Okay, we have so many CRM applications are available in IT industry. Sugar CRM, PeopleSoft CRM, Siebel CRM, Infor CRM, Synergy CRM, NetSuite CRM, Adobe CRM, SAP CRM, Oracle CRM, Microsoft CRM. Like that, so many CRM applications are available in IT industry. Okay, now, so now here in this case here, okay, now, so in this case here, when coming to the people, why the people are adopting, okay, Salesforce CRM? Why can't we go with this Sugar CRM or PeopleSoft or Siebel or Infor or Synergy? Why should we go for this Salesforce CRM? Why? Because is what are the existing CRM applications that we have? In this existing CRM applications, so we have few limitations. Okay, we have few limitations are available in this existing CRM applications. Then what are those limitations that we have? Now let me explain. The first drawback in these existing CRM applications are these are purely on-premise. Okay, these are purely on-premise. So now what do you mean by on-premise? On-premise application requires installation first. Okay, installation first. Now, so now on-premise application requires, okay, on-premise application requires pre-installation. That means first of all, we have to install, then only we can start utilizing that. Suppose if you want to use this as Sugar CRM, okay, if you want to use Sugar CRM, then first of all, we have to buy the complete license of that Sugar CRM by investing some millions of dollars and then get the software, maintain your own server. In that server, we have to install this as Sugar CRM software, and from there we can use to automate your customers' information. That means it is increasing your investment. We have to do the huge investment to buy the license of this Sugar CRM. That is one thing. In order to install that Sugar CRM, we need to maintain a high configuration server. So for that one, we have to do some more investment over here. So it is increasing your investment in order to use this existing on-premise applications. So this is the first major drawback of existing CRM applications. Now, the second one. Second one is whatever the existing CRM applications that we have, these are strictly CRM applications. These are strictly CRM applications. What do you mean by this strictly CRM applications? Whatever the features they have given inside this CRM applications, so now these features we can use to automate our customers' data. But we can't build any other new applications by using this software. By using this CRM applications, it may be Sugar CRM, PeopleSoft, it may be Siebel, Info CRM, Synergy, whatever, anything. These are strictly CRM applications. These are designed only to store your customers' information. By using this CRM applications, we can't build any of your custom applications. Like we can't build banking applications, finance application, insurance, healthcare, we can't build because we don't have any platform with them. There is no programming languages aligned with this ready-made CRM applications. These are designed only to manage your customers' data. That's it. These are not having any platform with them. So without the platform, we can't build any of our custom application. This is the second major problem as part of this on-premise CRMs. Third one is these requires upgradations. These requires upgradations. What do you mean by upgradation in this case? We have to keep on update that software whenever you got a new release into the market. Suppose, for example, I'm having my own server. In this server, I'm using this Sugar CRM software, which is some version 1.0. I have purchased this Sugar CRM almost 1 year back by investing some $1 million. Okay, by investing some $1 million, I have purchased this Sugar CRM software. And then I'm maintaining my own server. In this server, I have installed this Sugar CRM application to store our customers' data. So now here we are using the Sugar CRM to store my data. Now, recently, this organization has introduced one more version of that Sugar CRM, that is version 2.0, which is having some more latest features. I want this latest features. Then what can I do? Can I get this latest version of the software on free? No, we have to buy the license again. The latest version of the license we have to purchase, we have to upgrade into your local server. So that means what? Keep on, we have to install the latest version whenever you got a new release into the market. So in this case, every year we have to do some investment to buy the latest versions of those licenses. Okay, now, so in this case, this is the third major problem when coming to that existing CRM applications. The first problem is these are purely on-premise, which requires installation. Second one, these are not offering any platform with them to build our own custom application. These are only designed to store our customers' data. That's it. Now, and then we need to do the upgradations every year whenever you got a new release into the market. So now, in this case here, as part of this existing CRM applications, these are few major drawbacks that we have. Now, to avoid these kind of drawbacks, when coming to the Salesforce people, they have introduced their CRM application, in the form of cloud, in the form of cloud. So Salesforce CRM is the world's first cloud CRM application that we have in IT industry. Salesforce CRM is the world's first cloud CRM application, that we have in IT industry. Now, so in this case here, now here in this case. Now let's see. So now what exactly this is Salesforce CRM, what we can do, and what kind of terminology we need to use as part of the CRM. Now let's see practically. Okay, now. So Salesforce CRM is the world's first CRM application that we have in IT industry, which is used to store all your customers' information. He may be existing customer, he may be new customer, all the customers' information we can manage at one place by using Salesforce CRM. That's what so many clients are adopting Salesforce CRM features. Instead of using this existing CRM applications, they're purely adopting Salesforce CRM. Okay, because it is purely a cloud service which doesn't require any installations, which we no need to maintain our own server. Everything can be accessible just with the help of browser and the internet access by paying the rental amount to Salesforce. The two rental amount will be very small. Okay, rental amount will be very small. So for that, it may be a small organization, it may be big organization, it may be startup organization, it may be mid-sized organization also. Everybody can able to invest that rental amount. Okay, very easy, so that all the people can use this Salesforce CRM. Okay, that's what they have introduced the rental facility. Okay, from Salesforce side. Okay, now, so now in this case here, you can raise a question, sir, what will be the rental cost of this Salesforce CRM? Salesforce is providing their applications or the platform in terms of various editions. Each edition will be having some set of features. Each edition will be having its own separate rental amount licensing cost. Okay, now let me show you. Let me go to that Salesforce editions and licenses and pricing. Now, let me show you. So now as part of this Salesforce, we are having 4 editions are available. Essential edition, professional edition, enterprise edition, unlimited edition. Okay, unlimited edition. These are the various editions. We'll see. When moving forward, we will see each and every edition. What are the features offered in each and every edition? We'll see. So if it is an essential edition, the rental cost will be $25, okay, per month per user license. Okay, these are available purely on rental basis. We no need to do the huge investment at a time. We can pay the rental amount, we can start utilizing that. Now, so if it is a professional edition, we can pay $75 per month per user license. If it is enterprise edition, $150 per month per user license. If it is unlimited edition, $300 per month per user license. Now tell me, investing $300 per month is a big deal for a company? No, it's a small amount. It's nothing simply. So that here it may be small organization, it may be mid-sized organization, it may be startup organizations also. Everybody can do that investment very easily because it's a small rental amounts. So that the people can invest very easily, so everybody can start utilizing that. That's what we are having. 150,000 customers are available who are utilizing Salesforce services nowadays because no investment. Okay, there is no investment over here. Now, come to a simple concept here. Let me explain a small general scenario. For example, we have a mobile showroom, like some big C. Okay, big C. So now, on an average, every day, 1,000 people are visiting Big C. Okay, every day, 1,000 people are visiting Big C showroom to buy some mobiles. Now tell me, from this, out of this 1,000 people, how many people will buy iPhones? How many people will buy iPhones? Out of this 1,000 people, how many people will buy iPhones? Hardly, okay, 10 to 15 people. Hardly 10 to 15 people will buy iPhone. Okay, remaining people won't buy iPhone. Why? Expensive, costly. So now the basic model of iPhone itself will be having the cost of 30 to 40,000 rupees. With that 30 to 40,000 rupees, you will get a high-end mobile from other manufacturers, from Samsung also, Sony also, HTC also. You will get the latest model also with good features, with equivalent features with the latest model of iPhone. Okay. So now in this case here, the people won't show interest because of that huge investment. Here also, when coming to this Salesforce, the licensing amount is very less. That means it is purely rental amount. So now that $25, $75, $150, $300 are available for each edition. So investing this small amounts are not a big deal for the organization. So that so many companies have started utilizing Salesforce services. They have captured most of the market over here. Almost most of the customers are utilizing Salesforce services. Okay, now, so now let's see. So when coming to this Salesforce CRM, what we can do with the help of this Salesforce CRM, we'll see that part. And then what are the various terms or vocabulary that we are going to use? Now let's see. Okay, now. So let me come to that feature. Salesforce CRM. Let me explain each and every point, and then I will be giving the note points also over here. Okay, now. So Salesforce CRM is a ready-made application built by Salesforce, which is used to automate all your existing customers and new customers information. Okay, in order to store all your customers information, we are using the help of Salesforce CRM. That organization may be either a restaurant also, supermarket also, online shopping also, e-commerce also, banking also, finance also, insurance also, everything over here. So now we can use this as Salesforce CRM for any business. It's not only designed for banking people, it's not only designed for the finance people, so it is designed to access by all the organization, irrespective of the domain, irrespective of the industry, everybody can use this as Salesforce CRM to store their customers' information. Okay, now by using Salesforce CRM, we can automate all the existing and new customers' information at one place. Okay, by using this Salesforce CRM, we can automate all your existing customers' information and the new customers' information at one place. Okay, now, so with the help of this Salesforce CRM, what else we can do? Through this Salesforce CRM, we can store our sales processes, service processes, marketing processes, everything we can automate at one place by using this Salesforce CRM. That means whenever we are running any business also, okay, whenever you are running any business, your business related marketing processes, sales processes, service processes, everything we can automate with the help of Salesforce CRM. So the features are inbuilt available inside. We no need to design, we no need to develop any features manually by our own to store your sales related data, like as your customers data, your products data, and your employees information, and the revenue information, their contacts information, orders information, contracts information, quotations information, the cases information, everything we can able to store at one place by using Salesforce CRM. With the help of this Salesforce CRM, we can automate all your sales processes, service processes, marketing processes of your organization. Okay, that facility is available. Okay, now we can automate all the sales, service, and marketing processes of the organization. We can automate all the sales processes, service processes, and marketing processes of your organization at one place by using Salesforce CRM. Now, so with the help of this Salesforce CRM, we can maintain 360-degree view of the customer. We can maintain 360-degree view of the customer. Then what do you mean by 360-degree view? Okay, now let me explain. Okay, now let me explain. So now generally here, okay, 360-degree view in the sense what generally here, when you go to that X and Y coordinates over here. So now you will be having this 0 degrees will be available here. Okay, we'll be having 0 degrees initially. So now you will be having this 90 degrees, okay, and then you will be having that, okay, 180 degrees also, 260, 270 degrees, and then 360 degrees also. That means what, from start capturing the customer till now, what are the various interactions that we had, the everything we can able to automate at one place. Now, let me explain the concept here. For example, a small scenario. For example, assume that I have started a supermarket, okay, 10 years back. Okay, exactly in 2012, I have started a supermarket in some Amirpet. So now during that time, okay, he is my first customer. Okay, he is my first customer. Okay, who purchased the product from my supermarket. Still, he's keep on visiting the supermarket, also is purchasing so many products every day. It may be vegetables, grocery items, fruits, whatever, anything. So now my requirement is, now since the last 10 years, okay, how many times this customer has visited my supermarket? How many products he has purchased till now? How much revenue I have generated from this customer till now? How much profit I got from this customer till now, and what kind of discounts we have offered to this customer, what kind of benefits we have offered to this customer, what kind of warranties we have offered to the customer, what kind of complaints the customer has raised till now, what kind of solutions we have offered to the customer. Everything I would like to automate at one place. That means simply I would like to maintain the history of the customer at one place. When you open that customer's data, it should display the complete history till now, how many times he has visited. Everything I would like to automate at one place. So this is called as 360-degree view. This is called a 360-degree view. That means from capturing the customer till now, what are the various interactions we had, everything we can automate at one place, that is with the help of Salesforce CRM. The feature is available inbuilt in Salesforce, that is called as 360-degree view. Okay, now. So now in this case, we can maintain 360-degree view of the customer at one place. Okay, we can maintain the 360-degree view of the customer at one place. That means we can automate all the customer interactions. Okay, we can automate all the customers interactions. Maintaining the 360-degree view means what? Here we are maintaining all the customers interactions, whatever we had till now. Now, so in this case, we can raise a question. Sir, as part of this Salesforce CRM, not only storing our sales data, not only storing our service data, not only storing our marketing data, do we have any other facility to configure some effective dashboards or reports? Yes, that facility is also available in Salesforce inbuilt. Generally, once the data has been stored inside your database, in order to generate some reportings, the people are using the various reporting tools for the reporting purpose. Like I want to generate daily reports. As a supermarket manager or a sales executive, I need to generate a report by end of the day so that I can know, so how many products we have sold out today, how many customers has been visited our supermarket, how much revenue we have generated today, how many online orders we have received, how many contracts we have received, how many quotations we have received. Everything we can able to automate. So I want to generate in terms of reports. These reports I would like to share to my higher officials as well. So in this case here, do we have any such facility to configure the reports? Yes, Salesforce is providing inbuilt reporting facility also for you. Okay, Salesforce is providing inbuilt reporting facility also for you. With the help of this reporting feature, we can configure the reports and the dashboards also. Dashboard means the pictorial representation of the reported data. Dashboard means the pictorial representation of the reported data is called as dashboard. Like, for example, let me show you practically here. Let me log in into one of my existing Salesforce account, and then I will show you that. How can we do this? I'm logging into my existing Salesforce account. Now, let's see. So whenever I'm logging into my Salesforce organization, I can able to see my business related information over here. Directly, you can see. So now my complete, okay, business related data we can see. Like as the marketing report, I can see my sales revenue report also I can see, and the support related information, everything I can see in the pictorial formats as well over here. We can see that information. So now we can able to see the pictorial format of your representation. That means your business. So now in this case, we can see the reports also, we can see the dashboards also. These are called as dashboard components. This is one dashboard component. This is another dashboard component. This is another dashboard component over here. So we can able to see this dashboard also. So which will be giving the complete information about your business related to marketing, related to sales, related to service, everything we can able to see at one place as well. So generally to design this kind of reportings, the people are using some third-party tools like as Tableau, ClickView. The people are using the various reporting tools which are used to generate some effective reports. But in Salesforce, we no need to go for any third-party tools. Reporting facilities are available inbuilt in Salesforce in the form of analytics. As part of analytics feature, you are having two features are available in Salesforce. First one, reports. Second one, dashboards. Okay, we can configure the reports also. The detailed information we can see. Okay, the detailed report also we can see. Now, for example, let me show you. Now, I would like to show you that report. So now here I'm going to be collecting the customer's information. I'm opening a report here. So this is the report which we have, and then along with the dashboard as well, the feature. So now this is the report data. I want to share this report data, okay, to my the higher official people, to my superiors also, to my branch manager also, the branch head also. Okay, I would like to share this information. Just you can able to configure the report also, and then you can download this report into your local device. Just you can able to export this data. Once you click on export, the report has been downloaded to your local system. Just you can open that report over here. You can see the report data. Now we can see the complete details of my customer's information. Now just you can able to collect the report and then share this Excel sheet document to that, okay, to the people to whomever you want. Okay, to your sales head also, marketing managers also, to whomever you want, we can able to share this information also. The facility is available. All the features are available inbuilt in Salesforce. Just according to our business requirement, we need to customize. According to our business requirement, we need to customize these features over here. We no need to build any additional features manually. Most of the features are available inbuilt in Salesforce. That's what here coding part is very, very less in Salesforce. Coding part is completely minimized when compared with other programming languages. When compared with the other programming languages in Salesforce, we are writing hardly 50% of the coding. Remaining 50% will be purely configuration. By using mouse clicks, we can do everything. Okay, now that facility is available as part of your Salesforce implementations. Okay, now, so in this case here, we are having inbuilt reporting facilities are also available. Through those reporting facilities, we can able to represent the report data. Sometimes you can raise a question, sir, my client said that he don't want any horizontal bar charts here. This is a horizontal bar chart. My client said that he asked about the vertical bar chart. Then just you can able to change the reporting facilities. Just you can change that. Okay, vertical bar chart. So it will be generating automatically. If you want a do not chart, just you can select this chart type over here. It will be representing automatically. Stacked bar chart also based on your requirement. Stacked column chart also. Line chart also. Depends upon your requirement, we can able to generate that chart format, whatever you want. All the features are inbuilt available. According to your requirement, just we need to configure that features over there. Okay. So now that's what here. That's what so many people are going to utilizing Salesforce services over here. Okay, now in this case, it provides the inbuilt reporting facility features to configure now. So now reporting features to configure the reports and dashboards. Okay, to configure the reports and dashboards. Each and every feature will see in detail. Okay, each and every feature will see in details as part of our upcoming topics as well. Okay, now. So now here in this case, as part of this Salesforce CRM, so now we are able to build our own reporting facilities also over here. Okay, clear up to this one? Now. So now let's come to the CRM terminology. Okay, now let's come to CRM terminology here. Let's see what are the various terms or vocabulary or the process which we are following when coming to our CRM. Okay, now let's see. So now this terminology is very, very important because the same terms, the same terminology I'm going to be using for the entire 3.5 months of our course. Okay, the same terminology I'm going to be using for the entire 3.5 months of course. Okay, now let me explain the CRM terminology. This is also called as CRM lifecycle. Okay, now let's see.
Firoz, do we have any separate sessions for this dashboards and reporting again,
Yes.
or like
No, we'll be having separate sessions.
Okay.
Okay. Reports and dashboards, each and every feature, automation tools, everything will be having separate sessions. Okay. Now, let's see. Let's see the CRM terminology or the CRM lifecycle. So now, for example, let's come to a small scenario. Whenever we are using any application related to some specific domains, we should be able to understand the domain specific terminology. Okay, we should be able to understand domain specific terminology. Like for example, today we are discussing about Salesforce by using a language called as English. Why? Everybody we are able to understand this English language. Everybody can understand this. That's what we are using this. Like the similar way, whenever if we are using any banking application, we have to be discussed in terms of banking terminology. As part of banking domain, there is a banking specific terms are available. When you go to some insurance, the insurance specific terminology will be available here. Like, for example, assume that we have insurance. So now tell me, what do you mean by insurance generally? Insurance is nothing but a concept. Okay, insurance is nothing but a concept. So now which provides a various approaches to recover from the damages. Whenever a person has met with some damages, it may be property loss, it may be vehicle also, it may be health also. At that time, whatever the expenses that he made, everything he can able to reimburse or he can make it claim from the organization. So the various approaches through which we can able to reimburse that amount, for that one we are using the various approaches from insurance. Insurance is a concept which provides the various ideas, various approaches through which we can reimburse the amounts, okay, which you have explained, which you have spent, okay, during our damages. As part of this insurance domain, we are having some specific terminology. Now, tell me from whom we can take some insurance policies. From an insurance company. Okay, we can contact any of the insurance company and then we can able to take any of the insurance policy which suits to you. Okay, now those are called as insurance company. But the same insurance company will be referred as, okay, insurer. As part of insurance domain, they will be called as insurer. Insurer means what? The people who is offering insurance, those are called as insurer. But in our general terminology, we are calling it as insurance company. Okay. So now as part of insurance domain, we have to use the word insurer. Now, for example, I have an insurance policy. Okay, I took some insurance policy for my health. Okay, for my property also, vehicle also, whatever. So then in this case, we will be referred as customer or policy holder. Okay, policy holder. So now as part of insurance domain, this policy holder will be called as insured. Insured in the sense what? The person who took the insurance, the person who is having insurance, those are called as insured. Now, whenever you met with a major accident, that means the chances of losses is very high. At that time, that is called as hazard. Hazard means what? The chances of loss is very high. Now, suppose for example, if you met with a small accident, then the chances of loss is very less. Then it is called as peril. So now the various terminologies are available over here as part of insurance domain. Like the similar way as part of our CRM also, we have some CRM domain specific terminology. So what are those terms or what are those vocabulary, what are those objects that we have as part of CRM? Okay, now let's see practically here. Okay, now. So let's see the various terms or the vocabulary which we are using as part of this CRM domain. Okay, now let me explain. Let me explain this whole process by taking a general example. Okay, by taking a general example, I will navigate through the whole process to you. Okay, now let's see. For example, we have an organization. Okay, for example, we have an organization which is some Dell. We have Dell. So now tell me, Dell is what? They're into what basically? They're into manufacturing, pharmaceutical, banking, finance, insurance, or what? Manufacturing. Okay, now Dell is a manufacturing organization. Dell is a manufacturing organization. So now what they're manufacturing here? For example, we have Reddy Labs. Reddy Labs is also one of the manufacturing organization. Then what they're manufacturing? Pharmaceutical products. Now, so when coming to the Dell, Dell is also one of the manufacturing organization. What they're manufacturing now? The various hardware devices. Okay, they're manufacturing various hardware devices like desktops, laptops, mobiles, tabs, printers, projectors, scanners, and the various small accessories also, like as webcam, mouse, keyboard. These are all are called as small accessories. Okay. So when coming to the Dell, Dell is a manufacturing organization which is manufacturing the various hardware products. Like for example, laptops, desktops, mobiles, tabs, printers, projectors, scanners, and the various accessories. Accessories are nothing but the small parts of this. Now, so now tell me in this case, really Dell people are manufacturing each and every part of that product? In order to manufacture a laptop, it requires so many internal components. It requires a screen, it requires a keyboard, it requires a mouse feature, it requires a motherboard, it requires a hard disk, it requires a processor, it requires a RAM. So in this case, now tell me Dell people are manufacturing all these parts of this product? No. Basically, Dell people are not manufacturing even a single part of the product also. Basically, Dell people are not manufacturing even a single part of the product also. Now, here you can raise the question, sir, if Dell people are not manufacturing even a single part of the product, then how Dell people are providing these many number of products with the different models, with the different configurations, with the different colors, with the different features? How Dell people are providing all these features? Now, in this case, Dell people are mainly concentrating on two things. They are not manufacturing even a single part of the product also. In order to introduce a new product into the market, Dell people are mainly concentrating on two things. First one, design. First one, design. So now whatever the new product which they are going to introduce, so then how will be my next model of product look like? How will be my next model of desktop look like? How will be my next model of product laptop look like? How will be my next model of printer look like? They will be concentrating on design first. Because for every product, design is very important. If the design is looking like good, if the color is looking like good, the people will be attracting with the product, the people will show interest to buy. So if the product design is not looking like good, even though if you're offering excellent features, they won't buy that product. That's what your design should be very attractive. For that one, mainly they're concentrating on design. Now, once a design has been getting finalized, then as a step two, they're mainly concentrating on the new features. Because whenever we are introducing a new model into the market, definitely the customer is expecting some new features inside that. So as part of this new model of product, what new features we are planning to introduce? They're concentrating on new features. Okay, that means Dell people are mainly concentrating on two things. First one, design of the product. That means how will be my next model of product will look like, design. And then second one, what new features we are planning to introduce as part of this new model. So now once the design has been finalized, once the new features also has been finalized, then according to the design, according to the new features, whatever the parts are required to prepare this product, each and every part they're collecting from the various third-party logistics and vendors. Third-party logistics and the vendors means what? These are the small organizations who are experts inside that products. Like for example, we have Intel. Intel people are experts for processors. And we have Seagate. Seagate is expert for hard disk. We have SSDs, SSDs. SSDs expert that is Samsung. We have webcam. Experts people are Logitech. Logitech people are the experts in caps or keyboards also, and then mouse also, and webcams also. That means these people are experts while manufacturing these kind of products. Now, in this case, Dell people are having the contact with the various third-party logistics and the vendors, and then they're contacting all these people according to the design, according to the new features which they are going to introduce. They will collect all these parts from the various third-party logistics and the vendors, and all these parts are placing inside a location that is called as Dell warehouse. Okay, in order to prepare these products, whatever the parts are required, all these parts they will collect from the various third-party logistics and the vendors, and they're placing all these parts inside a location that is called as Dell warehouse. Okay, Dell warehouse. So now Delhi is having a major warehouse in China. In China, they're having their major warehouses available. From there, all these parts are distributing to the various countries. In each and every country, Delhi is having a factory. Okay, Delhi is having factories in each and every country. In India also, we have a factory in Chennai. Okay, in India also, Delhi is having a factory in Chennai location. That means Delhi is having the factories, but they don't have any manufacturing plant. They don't have any manufacturing plant to manufacture their products. They're having the Dell factories are available in each and every country. Now, in India also, Delhi is having a factory. So whatever the parts are required to prepare these products, all the parts are collecting from the third-party logistics and they're placing inside the Dell major warehouse. From there, they're distributing all these parts to the various Dell factories available in different countries. Now, these parts will be placing inside the Dell factory. Okay, Dell factory. So in this Dell factory, the actual manufacturing people are available. Okay, here they are having the actual manufacturing people. So now these people are going to be collecting each and every part. They are going to be assembling the parts together. They're assembling the parts together. They will assemble all the parts together and then they're going to preparing the product. So once the product is ready and they're going to be giving the brand of that product on that, okay, they will be giving the brand of the Dell on the product and they're releasing into the market. Okay, so on that product, they're giving the brand of Dell and they're releasing the product into the market. This is the actual manufacturing process is happening when coming to the Dell organization. Okay, so Dell people are not manufacturing even a single part of the product also. They're mainly concentrating on two things. First one, design. Second one, the new features. According to the design, according to the new features, whatever the parts are required, all the parts they're collecting from the various third-party logistics and the vendors, and all those parts are placing inside the Dell major warehouse. So once all the parts are available inside the Dell warehouse, from there they're distributing all these parts to the various Dell factories available in different countries. So once the parts are available inside the Dell factory, they're having the actual manufacturing people. These people are going to be assembling all the parts together. They're going to preparing the product, and then on this product they're giving the brand of Dell. They're releasing this product into the market. So this is what the actual process is happening when coming to our Dell organization. That's what we don't have any. We don't have any. Like as any products, especially from Dell. Like as we don't have any RAM from Dell. We don't have any hard disk from Dell. Okay, now because these parts are going to be collecting from the various third-party logistics and the vendors, and finally they are going to be giving the brand of Dell on the product. Okay, clear? Now let's see here. Let's see what will happen in this case. From here, the actual the CRM process will get started. Okay, now. So now Dell people has invested some billions of dollars in order to prepare the latest models of products. They are not only manufacturing one piece of that product, they are manufacturing some millions of pieces also. Okay, some lakhs of pieces of products they are manufacturing. So in this case, in order to prepare all these products, Dell people are investing some billions of dollars. Now, once the products are ready, once they will be testing the products. If the products are working very fine here. Now, then what these people will do now? Once the products are ready with them, once the products has been tested, if all the products are working very fine, then what these people will do with these products now? Who is going to use this product? Dell employees, Dell manufacturing people? No. Then who will use that? Customers. That means these products they have manufactured in order to sell out to the common people. Okay, whatever the products they have manufactured, these products they would like to sell out to the common people over. So in this case here, now tell me here. Okay, now tell me. As a Dell manufacturing person or as a Dell employee, we know what models of products we have manufactured, how the design look like, how the color look like, what features we have introduced, and then what new benefits we are offering, what discounts we are offering, what warranties we are offering, what services we are offering. We know as a Dell manufacturing person or as a Dell employee. But this information is not aware of by a common person. So nowadays, the people are very, very clever. If they wants to buy a 2 rupees pen, the first of all, they're testing that. Okay, whether the pen is writing properly or not. Whether the pen is comfortable to write or not, they're testing that pen perfectly first. Then only they're paying the 2 rupees of money. So, but my products are very, very costly, very, very expensive products. So in this case, people won't invest the money blindly. So the people should be aware of how my products look like, what new discounts we are offering, what benefits we are offering, what warranties we are offering. Okay, this information we have to give to the common people. Then how can we give this information? What we can do? What we can do? Marketing, right? So in this case, what we can do when coming to the Dell people, in order to give the awareness about their organization and the products and the features and the benefits and the warranties information to the common people, they are using the help of marketing department. They are using the help of marketing department over here. Okay, now as part of this marketing department, Dell people are having so many employees, like some marketing heads, marketing managers, marketing executives are also available here. So many people are working in marketing department here. Now tell me, what is the main job of marketing people? What these people will do? They are going to keep on promoting the products. Okay, the marketing people's main responsibility is they have to keep on promoting the products. Promoting means what? Giving the information about our product to the common people, giving the information about our organization to the common people over here, so that we have to share the information about our organization, our products, and our services, our discounts information, everything we have to share to the common people here. So then how can we give this information to the people? What are the various channels that we have in order to do the marketing? Can you give me some small channels which we can use to do the marketing? Digital marketing, okay. Social media, okay. Campaigning, TV advertisements, theater advertisements, pamphlets, posters, banners, hoardings. So many ways are available. So in order to do the marketing, we are having so many marketing channels are available. Let me explain what are the various marketing channels are available and what these people will do as part of marketing. Okay, now. So when coming to the marketing channels, we have so many channels are available. Like for examples, we can conduct some campaign. We can conduct some stalls. We can go with some TV advertisements. We can go with the theater advertisements. We can go with that pamphlets. We can go with posters. We can go with banners. We can go with hoardings. We can go with digital marketing. We can go with email marketing. We can go with that phone marketing. That means telemarketing. We can go with that web conferences. We can go with the trade shows. We can go with events. And then we can go with that free samples. We can go with that webinars. Like that, multiple channels are available here. Okay, multiple channels are available. In order to do the marketing, we have so many marketing channels are available, and then they're using the help of these marketing channels. With the help of this marketing channels, they keep on promoting the Dell products. Now, then how they are going to be promoting the products here? Now let's see what kind of terminology they are going to use. Now let me explain. Okay, now, for example, Dell people wants to conduct a campaign. Okay, Dell people wants to conduct a campaign here. Now, so how they are going to conduct the campaign? What is the process is happening when coming to the campaigning? What kind of data they are going to be collecting from the people? Okay, now let's see. Now, for example, assume that Dell people wants to conduct a campaign here. Dell people wants to conduct a campaign. Campaigning is nothing but one of the marketing channel. Campaigning is nothing but one of the marketing channel through which we can promote our products. Okay, now, so Dell people wants to conduct a campaign. Whenever if the people wants to conduct a campaign, first of all, they're selecting a crowdy area. Okay, they would like to select a crowdy area. That's what, whenever you are visiting some supermarkets or any shopping malls during the weekends, there the people are conducting some campaigns. Okay, the people are conducting some various campaigns because during the weekend so many people are visiting that shopping malls. That's what here, that is the right place to conduct that campaign. Like the similar way, the Dell people has to select a crowdy area. For example, Dell people have selected an area called as some Amirpet. They would like to conduct a campaign in Amirpet because Amirpet is a very crowded area. From morning to till late night, so many people are passing through this area. So this is the right place to conduct a campaign. Now, in Amirpet, where exactly they would like to conduct the campaign? They would like to conduct the campaign behind this Maitri Vanam building. So now behind this Maitri Vanam building, they would like to conduct a campaign. Okay, now, because this is the right place to conduct the campaign so that we can capture more number of people's information. Okay, now, so now let's see here what these people will do as part of this campaign. As part of this campaigning, they are going to be establishing a small tent over here. They're placing a small tent. They're placing a small tent over here. So this is one of the Dell campaign. So this is a Dell campaign. This is a Dell campaign. So now why they're establishing this small tent? Because whatever the newly manufactured products are available, they would like to place all those products inside this campaign for the display purpose. Okay, they would like to place the recently manufactured products inside this campaign for the display purpose so that the people can visit the campaign and they can see how the new models of products look like, how the designs look like, how the colors look like. They can get some information. Okay, now, so in this case here, they're placing the recently manufactured products inside this campaign for the display purpose. For example, the recently manufactured desktop products and the recently manufactured laptops. What are the laptops they have manufactured? Those products also are placing inside this campaign for the display purpose. The recently manufactured the printers also. They're placing the printers also. They're placing the printers also. And the tab devices also which they have manufactured. And what are the smartphones they have manufactured? All these products they're placing inside this campaign for the display purpose. Now, so now inside this Dell campaign, along with this latest manufactured products, they will be having the Dell marketing people also. So now they're having the Dell marketing people. Okay, they're having this Dell marketing people are also available. Now, so now they're having this Dell marketing people. Inside this campaign, they're having 3 Dell marketing executives are also available here. Okay, now, so now for example here, come to a scenario. So now assume that, for example, so this is the road that we have in front of this Maitri Vanam building. We are having this main road. So now every day, so many people are passing through this area. Okay, every day, so many people are passing through this area. Okay, now, Let's see. So many people are passing through this area every day. Now, every day, so many people are passing through this area. Now, for example, assume that myself. So now every day, okay, I'm passing through this area because I have joined some Java course in one of the institute in Amirpet. So since almost 1 month, every day I'm passing through this my 3-1M building. I'm going to my class and then I'm attending my session. From there, I'm going back to my home. So this is the daily routine is happening since almost 1 month. As usual, today also I'm passing through this area. Whenever I'm passing through this area, today I found something new. Behind this Maitri Vanam building, there is a small campaign is conducting by the Dell people over here. Now tell me in this case, what will be the human mentality? The people are going to be visiting that campaign. Why? Because of the curiosity. Okay. Even though that product, that means that information may be required to us or not. It's a secondary thing. That may be a required information or not. The people will be getting some curiosity. They would like to know what's going on there. So now here, because of the curiosity, I'm going to be visiting this campaign. Okay, because of the curiosity, I'm visiting this campaign to know what's going on there. As soon as whenever I'm reaching to this campaign, one of the Dell marketing person will start the conversation with me. Okay, one of the Dell marketing person will start the conversation with me. So now he raised the question, sir, please tell me what kind of products that you are looking for. I said that I'm looking for a desktop product. Then he will be giving the required information about that all the products. He will be giving the information about the products what they have manufactured recently, and then he is giving the information about the discounts what they are offering, warranties what they are offering, and the services what they are offering. Everything he will be giving the whole information also. And finally, he will be giving the small form to me to fill up my details. Finally, he has given a small form to me to fill up my details. I have filled up my details over here and then I have given the form to the person. That means what? That means I'm also one of the person who just showed interest in the Dell products. Okay, I have visited the campaign because of my curiosity. Even though that may be useful to me or not, it's a secondary thing. Okay, in order to know that information because of the curiosity, I have visited this campaign. And then I have collected the required information. I have given my details also. That means what? I am also one of the person who just showed interest in Dell products. So in this case, the people who just showed interest in the Dell products, those people are called as lead. Those people are called as lead. So now, what do you mean by lead? Lead is nothing but a person. Lead is nothing but a person who just showed interest, okay, in your product or service. As an organization, you may be offering either products, you may be offering either services also. In your products, in your services, the people who just showed interest, those are called as lead. Okay, understood the concept here? Now, so now this lead is also called as prospect. This lead is also called as potential customer. This lead is also called as potential buyer. Okay, the various terminologies over various terminologies. So now, so in this case here, so what do you mean by lead? Lead is nothing but a person who just showed interest in your product or service. Now, lead is different, customer is different. Okay, both are not same because lead in the sense he just showed interest in my product. He may buy, he may not buy. There is no guarantee. Okay, there is no guarantee. Okay, now, so if it is a customer who is utilizing your product, who purchased your product, who invested some amount in your products over there. Okay, now, so now how we are capturing this leads information? By conducting some campaign. Okay, by conducting some campaign, we have captured lead records. Okay, clear? Understood the concept here? Observe the terminology over here. Campaign is nothing but one of the marketing channel through which we can promote our organization products or services. During the promotion, if any of the people showed interest, those people are called as lead. So lead is nothing but a person who just showed interest in your product or service. Lead is not our customer. Lead is different, customer is different. Lead in the sense the person who just showed interest, he may buy the product, he may not buy the product, there is no guarantee. Okay, so that lead is not our customer. Now, so now here by conducting this campaign, how many leads we can capture in one day? Now, for example, Dell people are conducting this campaign in Amirpet today over here. Now tell me, only myself is visiting this campaign, or some other people are also will visit this campaign? Other people also. Not only myself, other people are also will visit this campaign because of their curiosity. So that means what? By conducting one campaign, we can capture multiple leads also. Okay, by conducting one campaign, we can capture multiple leads also. Now, so once the leads information has been captured, what these marketing people will do? Once the leads information has been captured, the marketing people are going to be sharing this leads information to sales team. They're sharing this information to sales team. Because as a marketing person, my job is over. My job is what? We need to keep on promote the products by conducting the various campaigns, and during the promotions, who are all the people showed interest, we need to collect those people's information. I need to pass to sales team. That's it. My job is over. I'm not responsible for sales. I'm not responsible for service here. Just I'm keep on promoting the products. That's it. Okay. Now I'm promoting the products with the various marketing channels. I'm capturing the leads information. That's it. My job is over. So once the leads information has been captured, this leads information will be passing to the sales team. Okay. Now, as part of this sales team, we are having sales head. We have sales managers. We have sales executives. Okay. We have so many people are working inside the sales team. Now, what this sales team will do? Sales people are going to be keep on follow up with the lead. Sales team will contact the lead over the phone, or by sending an email notification, or by meeting the people directly, or by taking some appointments. Okay, the sales team is going to be contacting the lead over the phone, or by sending an email notification, or by meeting the people directly by taking the appointment. Once they meet the people, they will be start giving the information about our organization. They will be giving the information about our products. They will be giving the information about the new features of which we have introduced in the product. They will be giving the information about the warranties what we are offering, services what we are offering, discounts what we are offering, benefits what we are offering. Everything they will be giving the whole information to the people. If required, they will follow up with the lead people multiple times also. Okay, they'll follow up with the lead people multiple times also. Finally, they will convince the lead person to buy our product. Finally, they will convince the lead person to buy our product. Now, once the lead person is ready to buy our product, then we are converting the lead as our customer. Okay, now, so once the lead person is ready to buy the product, then we are converting the lead as our customer. Now, let's see. So now, so once the lead person is ready to buy, then we are going to be converting the lead as our customer. Convert as customer. Now, whenever we are converting the lead as a customer, Salesforce will be generating 3 records. Because Salesforce will generate 3 records. Okay, upon converting the lead as a customer, Salesforce will generate 3 records over here. So what are those 3 records? Now let me explain. First one is an account record. First one is an account record. Second one, a contact record. Third one, an opportunity record. Okay, third one, an opportunity record. So now whenever we are converting the lead as a customer, Salesforce is generating 3 records. First one, an account record. Second one, a contact record. Third one, an opportunity record. Upon converting the lead as a customer, these are the 3 records will be generated by Salesforce. Now here you can raise a question, sir, what do you mean by this account record, what it contains? Okay, now let me explain. What this account record contains, now let me explain. Generally, account means what? Account in the sense what? Account in the sense customer. Okay, account in the sense customer. As part of our general terminology, we are calling it as customer. As part of CRM, we are calling it as account. Okay, account. Account means customer. Just the terminology difference over here. Let's see. For example, I went to a bank to open a new bank account over here. So once I'm done with the banking formalities to open a new bank account, finally they're providing one account number. They're not providing customer number, they're providing account number. That account number is indicating that I am also one of the customer of that particular bank. That means they're providing that customer, because they're providing the customer details in the form of account. Okay, account means customer. Now, so now here also, when coming to that, okay, Salesforce, whenever we are going to be converting the lead as our customer, Salesforce will generate this account record, which contains the basic details of the customer. Which contains the basic details of the customer. Like, for example, the customer name of the customer, and the annual revenue of the customer. How much revenue he is earning every year, annual revenue. And the rating, we are providing some rating to each and every customer, depends upon the number of products he is going to purchase. We are giving the rating. Based on the rating, in future, we are offering some discounts also to the customer. And then we are collecting the industry name, okay, to which industry the customer is associated, whether he is working in a banking organization, financial organization, or manufacturing organization, or what, where he is working. We can collect that, okay, industry name of the customer as well. And then we can collect the contact number. And then we can collect the fax number of the customer. We can collect that website name of the customer also. And then we can collect that billing address. We can collect that shipping address of the customer. And then active status of the customer, whether the customer is active or not. And the customer priority. All this information we are collecting and we are storing inside the account record. So account record will be holding the basic details of the customer, like the customer name and the address information, like as billing address, shipping address, rating value, industry, and then annual revenue, phone number, fax number, website information, whether customer is active or not, priority of the customer, everything, the whole information will be storing inside account record. Okay, so the account means what? Customer. In order to store the basic details of the customer, we are using account record. Now, second one, contact record. Now, so what exactly the contact record, what it contains? Basically, contact record is holding the contact details of the customer. Because in future, okay, in future, if you want to communicate with this customer here, then whatever the contact details are required, all the contact details will be storing inside the contact record. It contains the contact details of the customer. So in order to communicate with the customer in future, in order to contact that customer, whatever the contact details are required, all those details will be available inside your contact record. Okay, now, for example, it will be holding that first name of the contact person, last name of the contact person, salutation, like as Mr., Miss, or Mrs., whatever, it will be holding that salutation also. Title, that means the designation of the customer. Department name of the customer. Birth date of the customer, so that on the occasion of the customer's birthday, I would like to send some wishes also. I would like to send some greeting cards also. And the email address of the customer, phone number of the customer, fax number of the customer, and the home phone, and then other phone, and then mobile phone. Suppose if the customer is a VIP person or a celebrity, then they will be having their managers or the assistants. So if he is a celebrity person, that assistant phone number also. Assistant phone number. And the mailing address. All this information will be getting collected and stored inside, okay, this contact record. So contact record will be holding the first name of the contact person, last name, salutation, title, department, birth date, email ID, phone and the fax, home phone, other phones, mobile phone number, assistant phone number, mailing address. All this information will be available inside your contact record. Third one, opportunity record. Third one, opportunity record. So what exactly the opportunity record deals with? Basically, opportunity is purely dealing with money. Okay, opportunity is purely dealing with money. That means from this customer, how much revenue we have generated. Okay, from this customer, how much revenue we have generated, that whole information will be storing inside opportunity record. So opportunity is mainly concentrating on business, that means revenue. Okay, now, like for example, let me explain what exactly the opportunity, what it indicates. Let me give you, okay, with a general example here. Let me explain a small example. For example, assume that today morning I went to a supermarket. Okay, today morning I went to a supermarket to buy some items. It may be vegetables, fruits, whatever. I have purchased some items, like I have purchased some apples. Apples, some 2 kg, like some 400 rupees. Now, along with that, I'm purchasing some orange, some 2 kg, 100 rupees. And then I'm purchasing one oil packet, which is some 150 rupees. These are the three items which I have purchased. Now they're generating some bill also. They're generating some bill. So now the total bill amount will be like some 650 rupees. Okay, 650 rupees. Now this bill, whatever the bill has been generated by the supermarket people, this entire bill is nothing but an opportunity, because that bill is called as opportunity. That means supermarket people got the opportunity to generate 650 rupees of revenue from my side. Okay, supermarket people got the opportunity to generate the 650 rupees of revenue from my side. Now, then what this opportunity indicates? Opportunity is indicating the revenue. How much revenue we have generated from the customer? How much business we did with the customer, that will be indicating by the opportunity record. So which indicates what products the customer has purchased. How many quantities of those products he has purchased. How much revenue we have generated from the customer. The whole information will be available inside this opportunity record. Okay, so opportunity is purely dealing with money or the business, how much we did with the customer. Okay, how much business we did with the customer, how much revenue we have generated from the customer, that value will be indicating by the opportunity record. Okay, now let's see here. Understood the concept here? Now, so now in this case, it describes how much a business or revenue generated from customer. Now, so it will be holding the name of the opportunity, that means opportunity name, and the amount, how much revenue we have generated from the customer, close date, which will be indicating on what date we have generated this particular revenue over here, and the stage name, and the probability. All this information will be available, okay, inside this opportunity record. Okay, inside this opportunity record, it will be holding that what products the customer has purchased, how much revenue we have generated, on what date we have generated. The whole information will be available inside your opportunity record. So these are the three records will be generating by Salesforce, okay, upon converting the lead as the customer. Okay, understood the concept now? Now, so now this entire process is called as lead conversion process in Salesforce. This is called as lead conversion process in Salesforce. Okay, now, so now what do you mean by lead conversion process? Now let me explain the complete overall process. It's 100% common question in every interview. It is having practical also. It is having practical also as part of your Salesforce. Okay, now, so it's a common question in every interview. Would you please describe about lead conversion process? Now, at that time, you have to give the whole information. Now, let me give the complete information one more time. So when coming to the organizations, each organization may be offering either some set of products or some set of services. So once the products or services are ready with the organization, in order to promote these products, they're using the various marketing channels. So they're conducting some campaigns also in order to promote the products. During that marketing, the people who just showed interest, those people are called as lead, or those are also called as prospect or potential customer or potential buyer. So now, once the leads information has been captured by the marketing people, so now that leads information is passing to the sales team. Sales team is contacting the lead over the phone or by sending an email notification or by meeting the people directly by taking the appointment. So now, so once the lead person has been getting ready to buy the product here, if the lead person is ready to buy the product, then the sales team is going to be converting the lead as a customer. Whenever we are converting the lead as a customer, Salesforce is generating three records. First one, an account record, which contains the basic details of the customer. Second one, contact record, which indicates the contact details of the customer. Third one, an opportunity record, which contains the revenue information and how much business we did with the customer. This entire process is called as lead conversion process in Salesforce. Okay, this entire process is called as lead conversion process in Salesforce. Okay, clear? Now, let me show you the practical concept over here. Let me show you. Okay, when moving forward, we'll see separately again. Okay, for your information, now let me show. These features are inbuilt available. We no need to do all these things over here. For example, here I'm having this record here, some Abhinav Sharma. So now he is one of the lead person over here. For example, he is one of the lead person over here. He is very much interested to buy my products. Okay, he is very much interested to buy my products. He is the lead person over here, Abhinav Sharma. Now the person is ready to buy the product over here. Now I would like to convert him as our customer. So simply we can go to that features over here. We have a button called as convert button inbuilt in Salesforce. Click on convert. Now click on convert button. Once you click on this convert button, automatically the lead will be converted as customer. So now it is giving the confirmation your lead has been converted here. Upon converting the lead as a customer, an account record has been created, a contact record has been generated, an opportunity record also has been generated over here. So three records will be getting created over here upon converting the lead as a customer. Okay, so now the topics are not only theoretical, we have practical concepts. Okay, we have practical concepts. Each and every topic will be, I'm going to be explaining in theoretical and I will show the practical concepts also over there. Okay, understood the concept here? Now, so this is the concept of lead conversion process in Salesforce. Okay, now these are few terminologies here. Like we have discussed campaign, we have discussed lead, we have discussed account, and we have contact, we have opportunity. Like the similar way, we have some more terminologies are available. Tomorrow we'll continue with this terminologies feature, and then we'll see what are the various terms and the objects are available, and then we'll see the concept called as cloud services offered by Salesforce. Okay, Salesforce is offering the various cloud services like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, App Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Health Cloud, Community Cloud also over here. That is also called as Experience Cloud in Salesforce. We'll see each and every cloud service one by one, and then we'll see that some more features as well. Okay, understood the concept here? Now, so tomorrow we'll continue with this, okay, the terminologies feature, and then we'll see some more terms also, and then we'll identify what exactly this each term indicates, what exactly this each and every terminology or the vocabulary indicates. I will show you practically also in Salesforce in tomorrow's session. Okay, so the basic topics are very, very important. If you understood the fundamental concept, then remaining features are very, very simple for you to understand that. Okay, now, clear? Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Let's meet on tomorrow at same time.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.